Hello everyone, today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Pedagogy of Social Science Education. It's a ETT second year book of bestseller. This book is strictly according to the new syllabus prescribed by the State Council of Educational Research and Training SCERT Punjab. This book is in Punjabi medium. So let's review this book. It's a bestseller book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. It's as per the new syllabus pattern, so let's review it. First of all, syllabus is mentioned unit wise. Unit 1, nature of social science, then topics, then unit 2, importance concepts of social science, then unit 3, children's understanding any teaching learning materials, unit 4, pedagogy and assessment. Then contents are given, we have to match the contents with the syllabus. Like unit 1, nature of social science, things are given like nature of social science, importance of social science, difference between social science and social studies, relationships with other subjects. It is still principles of curriculum construction and framework of curriculum. So let's match it with unit 1 syllabus, meaning, nature and scope and importance of social science, till principles of curriculum construction and framework. So unit 1 is absolutely clear. Let's go to unit 2 of contents and match it with syllabus. Unit 2, society, social change, social structure, social stratification, till meaning of current affairs, importance of current affairs. Now unit 2, society, social change, social structure, till current affair, meaning and importance. So unit 2 is also very clear. Now unit 3, children's understanding, teaching learning materials, concept formation, case studies of children's understanding of concepts, till PPT and textbook. Check out unit 3. Unit 3, concept formation among children in middle upper classes, case studies of children's understanding of concept, till PPT and textbook. So unit 3 is also clear. Let's check out the last unit now. Unit 4, discussion method, comparison method, storytelling method, till comprehensive evaluation. Check out unit 4 now. Unit 4, discussion method, comparison method, till comprehensive evaluation. So unit 4 also clear. Now we have to check out that contents cover everything of the syllabus, there's no doubt about that. Also contents are written in both English and Punjabi language, so that both the English and Punjabi kind of readers, whichever easy for any kind of reader, can easily read it in both English and Punjabi. Now we have to check whether the page numbers are accurate or not. For example, whether the topic Quit India Movement is in page 317 or not. Let's check this out. So page number 317, Quit India Movement, is there. It's also topics are given in both Hindi, highlighted in both English and Hindi, English and Punjabi language, so that to make it comfortable for both English and Punjabi kind of readers, you can go to one more page and check this out. For example, in the last page 430, continuous evaluation, you can check this out. See, continuous evaluation, page 430. So it's completely there. So the book is very good. Content cover everything of syllabus, and page numbers are also very accurate. In back side of the book, ETT books for second year and first year also given. Now coming to back to this book. This book is price is 229.50 rupees only. It has 432 pages. You can check this out, and it covers everything in detail. Each topic is covered in so much detail, so many pages are given to each topic. So it's a very good book, very reasonable price, very less price. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218 and book will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also go to any bookstore nearby your location and buy this book at 229.50 rupees only. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube and check out other books of Vinod Publications. You can also go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books. You can email them if you have any inquiry at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. And if you have any complaint regarding any book, you can go to the helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. So 229.50 is the only price of this book. Buy it online on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218 or buy it from any available bookstore nearby your location. It's your choice. 229.50. I highly recommend this book, Pedagogy of Social Science Education, ETT second year bestseller book of SCERT Punjab, which of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. So must buy this book. Don't miss it. It will definitely help you in exams. Thank you so much.